Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light, while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing just you and me.
Hi everyone, I'm Marie from Southern Country Living, and today I'm making a cranberry salad, and this is going to be a side dish that I'm carrying to a Thanksgiving dinner that's hosted by my daughter-in-law. And so here are the ingredients. I'm going to be having sugar in it, celery, pineapple drained, orange juice, an apple, some strawberry jello, and cranberries, and coconut, and pecans. So let me get started on my prep work, and I hope everyone is having a great day today and has a great Thanksgiving. And so let me get started and get this prep work done. Okay, I have my cranberries washed, and so I'm going to chop up 2 cups of them. Okay, now I'm going to chop an apple. Okay, I'm going to put these in with my cranberries. Okay, I'm going to put my cranberries and apple in my bowl. Okay, I'm going to put 2 cups of sugar in my apples and cranberries. And when you make this, if you don't have quite 2 cups of cranberries, it doesn't matter because the apple will fill in for it. Okay, you want to mix up your sugar in with your cranberries and apples really good. And you want this to set for about an hour. Okay, I'm going to put this in the refrigerator and let it sit up for about an hour while I finish the rest of my prep work. Okay, now I'm going to cut a stalk of celery. Okay, I have my celery chopped up now. So that's about a half a cup. Okay, I'm going to cut up my orange. If I had orange juice, I would be using that today. That would be the fast and easy way, but I don't. I just have oranges, so I'm going to use them. I'm getting a good workout right now. Okay. Let's see how much this is. Okay, that's 1/4 cup. Okay. All right, I have my pineapple drained now, so I'm going to get 1 cup of crushed pineapple. Okay, this is sweetened coconut. So I'll need 1/2 cup of it. And if you don't like coconut, you don't have to put it in. And so now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to chop up a 1/2 cup of nuts, or you can put a whole cup in if you like a lot of them. Okay, I'm fixing to chop up my 1 cup of pecans now. Okay, all my prep work is finished now, and as soon as my cranberries set for an hour, I'll come back and finish up the rest of my recipe. Okay, my cranberries have been sitting for an hour now, and I have, in my bowl I have 2 packs of strawberry jello, and then I'm going to add in 2 cups of boiling water. I'm going to whisk this up really good. Okay, I got that whisked up really good. So now I'm going to put in my cranberries and an apple. Okay. So now then I'm going to put in my pineapple. My orange juice. This is an easy recipe, but the hardest part is the prep work. my celery, my coconut, and my cup of pecans. Okay, I'm going to mix this up really good. Okay. Okay, now then I'm going to put this mixture in my bowl. And you would not believe how good this salad is. You don't have to eat a whole lot of it, even though it's got a lot of sugar in it. When you eat it, you're just getting a little bit. You're not like making a meal out of it. It's a dessert salad. So a couple of tablespoons full. It won't be that much sugar. Okay. All right, I have my cranberry salad mixed up now, and so I'm going to let this sit in the refrigerator overnight, and it'll be really good for Thanksgiving dinner. And there won't be any of it left because everybody really loves it. And so I hope everyone has a great Thanksgiving. And so y'all do what you love and love what you do, and we'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.
Take tea with lemon.
I'm taking the taste test of the cranberry salad.
This year I'll be able to enjoy my Thanksgiving food.
Yeah, you won't be sick. Last year she
You
was
can
sick.
taste all those nuts in there, the celery, the cranberries. It really tastes delicious. I think this is the best one I've made so far. So y'all do what you love and love what you do, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye.
Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when there's love there's always a way. And oh, this time of year we come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold